Crazy cool kids crafting! Let's make these DIY animal lid storage jars. These are the materials that you will need. Remember to clean and prep your jars. Choose a different toy animal for different lids. Carefully apply superglue to the feet of the toy animals and place into position and allow to dry. Do this to all the animal lids. Now we can spray paint. Choose different colors for different lids. Shake your can well for 1 minute. Apply even and light strokes. It's best to apply 2 coats, and your first coat will be dry to touch in 20 minutes. I just love this blue color. Here's a great spray painting tip when using metallic paint. Don't apply a sealer or top coat to the gold paint, otherwise it will lose its shiny finish. While the toy animal lids are busy drying, let's have a look at some cool and interesting facts. Did you know that in South Africa we are famous for our big 5 game animals? Do you know what they are? The lion, leopard, rhinoceros, elephant, and Cape buffalo. What else do you know about the number 5? We have 5 fingers on each hand and 5 toes on each foot. We also have 5 senses: sight, smell, sound, taste, and touch. Those are some cool facts. Now let's get back to our DIY project. Once the 2 coats are fully dry, you can place the lids back on the jars and fill these lids with stationery, sweets, or anything you like. Don't they look great? This is such an easy and fun DIY project. Remember to follow us on social media for more DIYs like this one. Happy crafting!